I'm going to teach you how to multiply in Excel in under 2 minutes. Multiplying numbers in Excel is a fundamental skill that can simplify many calculations. Let's get started. Here we have a table with numbers in columns B and C. We'll use a basic formula to multiply these numbers, and the result will appear in column D. First, click on the cell in which you want to display the result. Let's select cell D2 for our first calculation. Now, type the equal sign to signal to Excel that you want to enter a formula in the cell. Next, click on the cell that contains the first number to be multiplied. In this case, it's cell B2. After selecting the cell, you'll see the cell reference B2 appear after the equal sign. Then, add the asterisk symbol, which is used for multiplication in Excel. After that, click on the cell which contains the second number to be multiplied, which is C2. But before we continue, if you want to become an Excel master, I'm giving away my $397 beginner to expert Excel course for free to all my subscribers. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment "I want the course" below. I'll send you a personal link to download it for free. Now let's continue. So, the complete formula looks like this. Equals B2 asterisk C2. Press enter and you'll see the result of the multiplication in cell D2. To apply the formula to the rest of the rows, click on cell D2, hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a small green square. This is called the Autofill handle. Double-click the Autofill handle and Excel will automatically apply the formula to the rest of the rows. And that's how it works.